Hey guys, Lacey Elizabeth here. Happy Valentine's Day. Yes, actually it's tomorrow, but don't worry about it because today we're going to be playing with this right here from Morphe. This is the Be Mine palette, and of course I've got you covered. We're going to be doing 3 different looks. You heard me, ladies. Yes, 3 different looks. You're going to look so good with these looks. You gotta stay tuned and keep watching. This is it right here. I love this color story because you've got the red, you've got the hot Barbie pink, you've got these beautiful 2 shimmers up here, and then you've got this one down here and this one down here. Also amazing shimmers. I'm going to actually swatch a bunch of these shimmers for you guys so you can see them. Oh, that pink. That's beautiful, right? I can't wait to play with that. As always, I'm going to go in, I'm going to do 3 different looks so you guys can really experience this palette. Okay, so for the base of our first look, I'm actually going to go into this one right here called Kiss Me. It's a beautiful kind of mauvey color. Let's just apply this to the crease. Okay, that is a beautiful plummy mauve color. That's actually a lot deeper than I thought it was going to be. That's stunning. I'm going to bring this down onto the lid just a little bit. I am going to go in with a clean Smith brush and we're just going to buff that out. Now Morphe does such an amazing job with their shadows. I love picking them up because I'm not going to get fallout with them. It's so great. What I love about their products is that you always have this intense pigment and they're affordable, very affordable. So this is blending out amazingly. That is such a beautiful color. Next, let's go in with this one right here. This is this beautiful, stunning Barbie pink color, and I'm gonna use a MAC 283 brush, and I'm just gonna pick up some of that. This is called My Treat. So I'm just gonna tap that off. I'm gonna place this down in the center of my lid. Yes, that's really, really pretty. That color is so cute. There's no fallout with this color. It's very, very pigmented. I'm not mad at it. It's actually really, really matte, but stunning. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit more of that pink. As you guys know, I don't like a really, really matte, kind of a dull, boring matte. This one is giving me life and I really enjoy it. And the color is just amazing. So now that we have that on, I'm going to go in with that same Smith brush that we used to blend out our first shadow. I'm just going to blend just right there. Kind of give it a nice little halo. Smoke that out just a little bit, but leaving that pigment on the lid. Now for our inner corner, I'm just going to tap lightly with my brush. I don't want to kind of shift that color too much. I just want it to be blended out just a little bit. Perfect. Now I am going to go in with this beautiful shimmery pink. This one is called Hug Me. I'm just going to pick that up with my finger. Again, my finger's dry. I'm just going to place that down right here on the inner corner. Getting as close to the inner corner as I can and dragging that to the center lightly. That's pretty. That is so pretty. Now again, I'm going to use that same fluffy blending brush by Smith. I'm going to just blend out that inner corner and drag that all the way over and out. Alright, so I do have a little bit of fallout right here on my inner corner. I'm just going to take a fluffy powder brush and I'm going to just wipe that away. Perfect. When you're going in with your ring finger and applying something like a shimmer and you do get a little fallout right there, that's okay. Go in with either a dry brush, could be just a large fluffy blending brush, just a dry clean one, wipe that away, or always a powder brush works fabulous. If you guys want to, if you're nervous about it, definitely go in with shadow shields. I totally recommend it, especially if you want that really snatched fine line. That's amazing. I'm gonna move on, do the other eye, and I will be right back to show you the finished result. Through the magic of YouTube, this is the first look. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Here you go. What do you guys think of this sultry, sexy, stunning look? All right, so for this look, I went in with this one right here to start in my crease. This is called For Eva. I'm gonna be real with you guys. This one had a lot of fallout, like a lot of fallout. I was cleaning it up all over the place. You can tell there is a lot of fallout in the pan as well. Just beware, that one has a lot of fallout. Then I went in with this one called Love You, which is really cute. Again, a little bit of fallout, not as much as For Eva. Then I went in for the inner corner and all the way out, kind of midway here, I went in with this red color right here. And this one is called Sweetheart. I went in with that red color, so much fallout. So much fallout. It was insane. But I cleaned it up and it looks amazing. All right, guys, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of look number 2. This is the third look. I used these 3 colors right here. So for my transition and mostly all over the lid, actually, I went in with this one right here, and this one is called Sugar Sugar. And then I went in with this one, and this one is called Call Me. With both of these colors, I really had no issues with fallout. They both performed beautifully. I actually really love both of them. And this one right here, Call Me, so cute and shimmery. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys love look 1, look 2, or look 3, or do you like all of them? All right, guys, you know what time it is? It's time to give this product right here, a score, starting with application. All right, overall, I really liked this palette. There was some fallout, especially with this red shade right here and this shade right here. These two were okay, but these two, a lot of fallout. So overall, I'm gonna have to give this one a 7 out of 10 for application. Up next, pigment. All right, so the color story is really beautiful and I do like it, but I feel like something with hot pinks and that bubblegum pink, which is really cute, and that crystally white, that's stunning. But then you jump to, like, you know, the darks and the burgundies and all that. It just, for me, it's just not as cohesive as it could be, especially if you're taking this and only this in your weekender for like a nice little romantic getaway. I feel like it just needs a little bit more or something a little bit different to be completely cohesive. That's just my opinion, my personal opinion. So for that reason, I'm going to give this one a 7 out of 10 for pigment. And finally, value. This is only $16 Canadian. Again, super cute. Packaging is lovely. I absolutely love the hot pink and the heart. That's so cute for your collection. This one, honestly, it's for what it is, it's really, really great. You've got all these colors. This white shimmer, I can't get over it. Like, this is stunning. Absolutely worth picking this up for just that one shade. And of course, that bubblegum pink, yes, we need that, right? So I'm gonna have to give this one an 8 out of 10 for value, bringing us to a final score of 22 out of 30. Now, should you buy it, wishlist it, or avoid it? Now, the thing with this one is, and their other palette, their bigger 36 pan palette called Sweetest Tea, is basically they removed all of the purple shades in this one and they moved all of the transition shades in this one and came up with this small 9 pan compilation. Now, if you guys don't want the, you know, purple shades, if you don't wear purple, I don't wear a lot of purple shades either, so I get this, and that's kind of why I picked this one up, because the purple one I didn't really gravitate to. It's just, I like purple, it's just not really my thing. But I do miss the transition shades. There really isn't one besides that taupey color in this palette. So if you guys want the bigger palette, definitely pick that one up. If you guys like this one, like I do, definitely pick this one up. All right, guys, if you love videos like this one, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss when I drop another one. All right, guys, until next time, live, love, lip gloss. Bye, guys.